I think that government job is focused on society limited. They are limited, and private job is focused on their profit and financial profit for company profit. It's in a,
Every student is attempt to the government exam. It is a benefit of government exam, just like such as pensions, medical to provide. And, government exams. Uh, every student is a struggle for government exam and to attempt that exam. It's like police sector, UPSC, IS, like banking, railways.
In private sector, we promote by experience, not like government sector. We get
More time limit
yes.
get promotions.
In government sector, there is also traveling benefits. It provides healthcare, many more benefits. In government sector, they provide more benefit as compared to
whole family.
family.
So I think that the government job and private job are equal in some aspects. But if you think that the government job, so it can give the jobs, and private also gives the job. But entrance are different for both. And like a government job gives the pension. But in the private sector, if we innovate something, or if you give the best performance of your, so then it will give the best opportunities for the a better post in that company.
But in government sector, they get pension after retirement. But in private sector, they do not give any after retirement any pension, because not because, it's my opinion that in government sector they promoted us after 5 or 10 years, not they judge on our work. But in private sector, they see our work, our skills, our knowledge, then after they promoted us, not basis of years, just like government promote us.
Depends upon our skills. If we improve our skills, then private sector pay us high package, and there is no limit. As government sector, there is some limits.
In private sector, we learn new things after we join the job. But in government sector, as compared to private sector, we don't learn any new things. We learn, but not as compared to the private sector. Because my father and mother also government servant. My mother is a computer operator, but still she knows after that time she joined the job, the same thing do now. But in private sector, this is not type of.
In government sector, you do not work and you will be paid. But in private sector, you work hard and after that you will be paid.
And the Indian parents' mentality is they want to get a government employee to get our daughter
To marry.
to marry her.
Because it's a secure job.
Secure. Private sector, too much workload as compared, workload. And few days ago, Infosys founder Narayana Murthy said 60 to 70 hours should work in a week for to employ for company.
I think government job more secure, and this is a fixed time 9 to 5 job. But in private job has more burden as compared to government job. It's government means when you are when you are a higher post person, you give assignment or project, so you work this project, so you get very lots of burden as compared to government job. So I think government job is better than private job.
In some sectors of government, I think there is no 9 to 5 job. Because if we go to police, they don't have 9 to 5 job. Then there is, I think, IB also. R and AW also, they don't have 9 to 5 job. In official 9 to 5, on officially means if they go on the projects and also they don't have the 9 to 5 job.
My opinion is government job is best because my father is also government servant, and they are 9 to 6. I think the holidays is more than government job, and private job is I think holiday than
That is holiday is.
Also, private sector don't give the most of the holidays. If you have some kind of work, they can't be. It depend on the workload. If there is a work in the company, they can't give you any type of holiday. That's it.
There is a good thing in private job, they give us a work from home, but in in government sector, we go and do work.
Not every private sector, I think, give the government. I think not every private sector can give the work from home.
But most of the companies give if we need.
Yes.
My opinion is private jobs are stressful because time fixed time work hours are government job, and sometimes spent over private jobs, and benefits doesn't like a private job, and government jobs are both benefits, pension like health insurance, etc. My opinion is government job are better.
In private sector, there is deadlines. As compared to government, there is no deadlines. Fixed deadlines. In government sector, they give us more time. But in private sector, if you not work on time, then there is a large chances to fire us.
But employees are hardworking, then companies are not hired.
If you work hard, then you succeed in private sector.
In private sector, I think every year we have to just change the company for the hike. Otherwise, we are only get that post for long time. If we get that post long time, then they can't be. So I think every year, every private sector's employee have to just change their company.
Some similarities are in both the jobs. It is if both the employees, government or private, have the working hours is more, then they can. That is the higher post they give by the government or private.
So private sectors are work as a companies are work as a business. because why they paid you lots of, because they doing a business as compared to government job not doing a business. They are a public sector company because they only work for the public. So that's why they pay more lots of, because of they doing the business. That's why they pay them.
There is only good thing in private sector as per my opinion. We have higher earning potential as compared to government job.
Private sector gives a highly growth
Yes.
as compared to the government job. And in government job only 5.5 days in a week do work, but private sector not. Out of
Sometimes they have to work on the weekend and all. As, all depend on the workload of the company.
My opinion is freedom is most important. As you give a lot of work, but you can't, like, it bothers you. You can't work hard in your field. Like, and government jobs mostly do these things. And in private, yes, there are deadlines, but if they provide you freedom, and if you are freely work and you're enjoying your work, as we see in every private sectors. Yes.
As we conclude this topic, the all students are tell us tell their opinion as their perspective. So,
thank you.
welcome.
कैमरा बंद करो.